8 News is your local election headquarters. New court filings show Virginia voters are coming forward saying they have been wrongfully removed from the voter rolls ahead of the November election. A federal judge heard oral arguments today in federal court after lawsuits claim Virginia is illegally purging the voter rolls. Capitol Bureau reporter Tyler Englander has more on what the new documents show.
These court documents we obtain outline 3 individual cases where eligible voters, including 2 people who were born in the United States and one who became a naturalized citizen after immigrating from Colombia, say they were wrongfully removed from the voter rolls. Voting rights groups say they've uncovered specific cases where eligible voters have been wrongfully purged because of a state process designed to remove non-citizens from the voter rolls. Among the cases, a Henrico County woman who's been an eligible voter for more than 20 years who showed up to vote early only to find her registration canceled, plus a Fairfax County woman who's a naturalized U.S. citizen who says her registration was also canceled despite voting in the 2020 presidential election.
It suggests that the program is being run in a way that may not rise to the level for us thinking it's a legitimate basis on which to remove someone from the list.
Several groups in the Department of Justice say the program violates a federal law preventing states from systematically removing voters 90 days before an election. But Virginia is defending the program in federal court, saying action is only taken when a person checks a DMV box saying they're a non-citizen.
The examples that are provided suggest that the information that DMV may be providing might be old information, which was the point, and that might make the program appear to be more systematic. And if the program is systematic, then it's more likely to be subject to the quiet period.
Now, just a reminder, if you believe you were wrongfully removed from the voter rolls, you can re-register to vote when you cast your ballot on Election Day. In Richmond, Tyler Englander, 8 News.